My investors love my fee structure. In fact, if the entire fund industry adopted my fee structure, the industry would disappear. So my fee structure, which was copied straight from Warren Buffett, is there are zero management fees. I don't get paid anything for assets under management. The first 6% of returns go to the investors. Above 6%, I get 1/4 and they get 3/4. So if you're up 10%, I get 1%. It's subject to high water marks. If you're up 5%, we get nothing. And if you're down, we get nothing. And like I said, if the industry adopted that fee structure, which I would love them to do, they would just disappear.